Okay, boys and girls, here we are in lesson 2 of Let's Learn Tinkercad. This is a very short lesson. You can see in the top left corner there are only 7 parts of this lesson, and they all go quite quickly. So let's just take a look. I'm going to try to cover them all in one shot in this one video. So let's get to it. It says right here, testing your new navigation skills. Now we're going to learn to move around. Okay, so that's the goal in this lesson, is to just practice moving around and seeing things from different angles. So you can see that here's a picture, doesn't really look like much, but what is happening in that picture right there is that there is a word buried three-dimensionally in that block. So you're going to have to rotate the word plane around to the right angle so you can see the word and read it. Okay, so that's what we're going to do on the next part, or the part after that. So you can see in the instructions, it says continue to the next step. So let's go to the next one. There's nothing to do here. It's just introducing us to the idea. Okay, let's click next. It says your first challenge. Let's read this. Congratulations, you just completed your first lesson. That was lesson 1. Okay, now let's test how we're doing. It says hidden in the lesson is a message. You have to navigate around Tinkercad and view the hints from the optimal angle to reveal the text inside, like I just explained. It says good luck. The instructions say continue to the next step. Let's go. Okay, here we are, part 3. You can see now on the work plane, there is a block. It doesn't look like anything, so let's rotate it around until we can read the word that's hidden in there, and there it is. Let's make sure it's super clear, right? There. We can read it, we're good. We are the champions of this part of the lesson. It says, can you find the first word? Continue to the next step. So all we have to do is find it and move on. Let's move on. Let's go to the next one. Okay, step 4. Now you can see this one, we can't read it yet. So again, let's rotate it around. There it is. There's that word. It says time. Let's make sure it's just crystal clear. That looks pretty good right there. Time. We got it. So it says find the second word and then continue to the next step. Let's move on. Okay, you can see how quickly this is going. Now it says find the third word. Okay, and it's buried over here. Let's rotate it around and see if we can't see it. There it is, the word to. Let's make sure it's real clear. All right, about there. Looks pretty good, right about there. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? So we can, so we can read it. That's perfect. Let's move on. And I think this is one of the last steps. It says find the last word right there in the instructions. So it's waiting for it to load right now. So it's taking quite a while. Let me try and refresh. Oops, we got to go back to the 6th one. It says find the last word. All right, let's go for it. Here we go. It looks like we have to rotate it upside down. We'd look at it from the bottom of the work plane. There it is, the word design. We did it. Another chance. We are the chance of this one too. All right, let's go on to the next part. It says, what time is it? Well done. By uncovering the mystery words, you've proven you have the skills quickly to easily maneuver around. Hope you had fun. Practice makes perfect. So that's it for this lesson. Took a very short amount of time. We found all the words. Let's go on to the next lesson. I'll see you in the next video. Good job.